Did you know that you can install Canva as an application on your Windows laptop or PC? Guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, and it's very easy. So how to do this is to simply go over and click your Windows key on your keyboard and open up your Microsoft Store. Now, once you're inside the Microsoft Store, you might see top free apps or featured apps. You will go ahead and you can go through them and you might find Canva in the list. You can also search for Canva. So if you type in Canva, you will see it search, you will find Canva in the list, and you can simply click on Canva and you can install Canva from here. Easy. Just simply click on install and you will have Canva installed from here. Now, the second way how to install Canva, which I'm going to show you, is by going to the Canva website. So I'm going to simply click on my Windows browser here. I'm using Google Chrome here and simply type in Canva. And if you go to canva.com, you will first need to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account already, you can simply sign up for Canva. And the best thing about signing up, if you're new, you can get a 30-day pro trial version for free. So you can use all the features within Canva for 30 days. How amazing is that? Now, once you're inside Canva from your browser, I'm using Google Chrome as I mentioned, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to cast, save and share, and you will find install page as an app. If you click on that, you will have the Canva there. You can always go ahead and remove the home from the description there and just leave it as Canva and simply click and install. And voila, Canva is installed as an app on your computer. Now, if you look on my desktop on my computer, you see that I have the icon as well for Canva. I'm going to simply close the application for the moment and show you. Click the Windows key in my taskbar there and simply type in Canva. And you can see Canva app is also on my computer as well. I can click and open that. And you see, I have the Canva application there as well. If I go to my install apps on my computer, so let me type in install apps. If you're using a Windows 10, you can go to programs and features and you can find your applications. And if I search for Canva on my computer here, you can see I have Canva there and I can always go ahead and uninstall Canva directly from here. If you open the Canva application here from your desktop, you can also go ahead and you can pin the application. So if you have it there, you can minimize it. If you have it on your computer, you can simply right click and you can pin to taskbar. So it's easy. Whenever you want to use Canva, you have it on your taskbar here and you can simply click and you have Canva ready to use. How amazing is that, guys? And that's how easy it is, guys, to install Canva on your Windows PC by using the Microsoft Store, or you can do it through your browsers. You can also try other browsers as well, and they will allow you to install the application just the same. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.